Dr. Doreen Grand-Pichet is the
Dr. Doreen is an expert in autism.
Doreen Grand-Pichet.
Dr. Grand-Pichet.
Dr. Doreen Grand-Pichet.
Dr. Doreen Grand-Pichet is a visionary in the field of autism. Now you can ask her questions on Ask Dr. Doreen.
Somebody wrote in and said, my son only says one word. How long does it take for him to speak more? Also, he can read at 3 years old, but only says one word.
Okay, so that's wonderful that he is reading. As I've said many times before, kids who teach themselves to read at 2 and 3 are what we call hyperlexic, and hyperlexia always tends to contribute in a positive way to their overall outcome. It seems that kids who are hyperlexic have a very good visual memory, and so it becomes easy to use their reading ability to prompt their verbal utterances, their language. And so you have to kind of work together with a BCBA who knows that and can do that. It's as simple as, having a visual component. So every sound imitation, every word, everything has a visual component, so that you're presenting, let's say, a sound, a letter sound, when you're trying to get the child to imitate. And then later, of course, words for labels, and then later words even for sentences, and so on. And all of that ends up leading to the ability to communicate, converse, etc. So I would feel encouraged that your child is hyperlexic, or sounds like he or she is. I would be doing pretty intensive therapy right now. If you're not doing intensive therapy, things are not going to change. The fact that you have one request is good. A BCBA working with you will make that into 2 and 5 and 10 requests. These are called MENDs. And then we'll go into TACTs, which is labeling objects using one word, and then maybe multiple words. And then they'll bring in descriptive language, and then this is how we teach the child to start expanding their speech, and then going into what we call intraverbals, or more abstract language. And so there's a whole process of teaching this stuff, and you can easily do it. You just need to get into a comprehensive ABA program.
Wonderful.
Hey, thanks for watching Autism Live. To subscribe, click here. And if you'd like to check out some more of our videos, click here.